Welcome to Gyan Niketan Girls School. Hello everyone, myself Neha Singh. I am counselor of Gyan Niketan Girls School. Hope you all are fit and fine. Dear students, today I am going to tell you about most important topic, education. What is education? Education means to learn, to know and to lead out. Lead out the internal hidden talent of a person. Education is universal. We can gain knowledge from anywhere, anytime. No bound of place and time. Long life process. The process of training and developing the knowledge, skills, minds, character, especially by formal schooling. Someone truly said, the root of education is bitter, but the fruit is sweet. In next slide, you will be know about why education is important. I think an education is not only important, it is the most important thing you can do with your life. One who receives good education gets a secure future. Our productivity is increased by acquiring new skills and talents. With right training and education, we find most competitive jobs. We achieve heights in life. Education is the most powerful weapon we can use to change the world. Education as a force for social change. In next slide, we will be see importance of education. Enable the person to deal with life as a whole, become a human, leading an independent life, lesson of equality, development of social life, leads to inner freedom, procure a job, social and physical development, to earn a living, professional skill, a key of to success, education for peace, maturity and integrations of personality, harmonious development, modifications of behavior, promote of democracy, allocations of resources, cultivations of civilized society. In next slide, you will be know about significance of education in our life. Makes better citizens. Educations make a worthy contribution to our lives. Making as responsible citizens, we get to know our history, cultures, and value through educations. Education opens our mind and expand our horizon. It enables us to understand our duties as a citizen. An educated person is better citizen. In next slide, you will be know how to develop interest in study. The study is part of our life, but nowadays of student it has become life because of stressful life. Most of student losing focus and interest in study. It tough to get it back. There will be plenty of reasons behind that. First of all, find out the reasons why you don't have interest in study. There may be so many reasons: incorrect goal set, concentrations, family problems, emotions difficulties. After analyzing these causes, try to work it try to solve those issues. Don't sit and think about the problems. One technique can help to avoid such problems. The technique is meditation. It is important to relax yourself before starting a study to make habit to do meditation for at least 5 to 10 minutes before going to bed. In the morning, this could help you more keeping your focus towards your study whole day. Next, it is an unplanned study. Times many students don't plan their study, just randomly sit and select any topic and start study. This leads losing interest in study. If you are making proper timetables, remember preparing a timetables is easy. Difficult it's educations. Stick to your timetable and stick to your task. It will be increase your focus on interest in study. Next important topic, learns and importance and values of education. You have to understand the importance of study for future aspects. Those who understand the importance of study, they enjoy study. Discover ways to enhance your concentrations. Concentration is very important to enjoy study. Next is remember to take short study. Taking short break during study helping in retaining more that what you have studied. Every 2 hours take 15-minute refreshment break. So start with your favorite subject which enhance your confidence. Next, adequate lighting in your studies area and free from disturbances. Good light and relaxed sitting are most important for longer hours study. A comfortable chair and good quality of table are help in the enjoying your study. So ensure that study area is free from disturbance. Make sure that outside noise disturbance not affect your study. Your study tables must be located in silent area free from all external disturbances. Next development fun in your study. You should also start and enjoy your study by organizing quiz and game related to your study with your friends. This will be enhance your interest towards study. Stay positive. Stay positive is necessary to enjoy study. Think always about the benefits of study. This will be motivate you. Everyone face up and down in their life, but never compromise with your study. Don't let you study be victim of the your problem. I hope this step are very useful for you. Stay at home and stay safe. Thank you.